Hello Geminis, today we will be doing your general life reading for the month of July 2017, and we hope that the reading goes out well. I'm shuffling the deck. If any card comes out while shuffling, then I will be using that card. These two cards sprang out, so we'll be using these cards. I'll be using the middle. I'll be using the middle one for the reading. Okay, Geminis, the first card in your deck is the Lady, the second is the High Priest, the third card is Ten of Pentacles, the fourth card is Five of Swords, the fifth card is Nine of Pentacles, and this is the heart of the reading. Ace of Pentacles is the sixth card, Queen of Pentacles is the seventh card, Two of Pentacles is the eighth card, ninth card of the reading is Two of Cups, and Justice has come in reverse for you. So we will look into the reading, and today for Geminis, the Pentacles, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Pentacle cards. So your reading is, full of Pentacles. The first card in your reading is the Lady. As you can see, there's a lady who is seated on a throne, and she is surrounded by greenery, and she's having a basket of fruits and flowers, all the natural beauty. She's surrounded by all the natural beauty, and this card shows abundance and beauty in the true sense. So when this card comes, it reflects that you will be very much engaged with nature. Maybe you are going to some beautiful place, a natural place, for some kind of outing. Maybe for some of you this is the time for celebration, as you might be getting pregnant, or this might be the card which is which comes up when a mother or father is going to have a very good communication with their children. This is the right time when you will be communicating with your children very well. The relationship with your children will be very good. So in July, maybe if some of you who are not having good relationship with their children, they might have a very good understanding, and there will be a very beautiful relationship. And for many, this card can also reflect wealth and abundance, and you all might be celebrating this period. Then the second card is the High Priest. The High Priest comes when you have to stick to rules. This card reflects the rules and regulations. So this is a person who will ensure that whatever you are venturing into or whatever you are doing, that should be under some rules and regulations. So this might be you yourself, that you are very much strict about your life or whatever you are doing, whether it is career or your personal life, your daily routines. So you are very much strict into all those things. If you have to get up at 6 a.m., then you are very much strict, and maybe you are imposing these rules on others too. For some of you, this might be the case. Maybe this is your boss who is like very much strict about his working environment, and some of his rules should be followed. So this might be that boss. And this might also reflect that you might be joining some kind of institution where rules are followed, where there is something which is conventional, some traditional kind of institutions, like maybe you are going to join some church, or maybe any kind of gym where you will be following the set pattern, set rules, and you will be under the guidance of some person who has the characteristics very similar to the High Priest. The third card in your reading is Ten of Pentacles, and it is a very beautiful card because this card is reflecting an old person. Probably he has retired, and he is surrounded by his family members, by a pet, by a child, and he is enjoying all this. He is relaxing. He has a very peaceful and abundant life. So if we see these two cards show abundance and peaceful kind of cards. These cards will come up when you have attained a lot in your life, and everything, the hard work which you have put in has resulted into this kind of life. This feeling of fulfillment will come only if you have put a lot of hard work in your life. And because we can see in this reading, lot of pentacles are there, and pentacles mostly they are related to the career aspects of our life, and the money aspects, the prosperity aspects of our life. So this card is a very beautiful card. This is reflecting that you will be achieving all the success in your life, and you will be having a very peaceful life. So for some of you who are going to retire, or maybe who have retired, you are going to enjoy yourself, and maybe you are going out to some kind of outing to some naturally beautiful place, and it is a very good time to be close to nature. Then the fourth card is the Five of Swords. Five of Swords is not a very good card, because this card is showing that you are having some kind of tension. Despite of defeating someone, this person is looking tensed. So this might show that maybe you had a very good friend or someone on whom you had a lot of trust, and that person has you know not he or she has not been so truthful to you, and they have betrayed you in some form, and now you are feeling that okay, fine, I came to know about this person, that this person betrayed me, but still I'm feeling, that feeling that I'm not I used to trust this person a lot, and that feeling is very, it is not a comfortable feeling, and then you are assessing yourself that what went wrong and why did you have so much trust on them. So this is not a very good card in terms of, if you are having some trust issues with someone. So there will definitely be some conflict with someone, some argument, maybe in your workplace or maybe in your personal life, though you might, win that argument, but still you will feel that no, I have lost something. And it's not a very good card in terms of relationships. In fact, in terms of career also, if you are having some colleague and you trusted him or gave him some responsibility, and they did not turn out that well, or they backstabbed you, or maybe some kind of you know secret or something which was confidential, they have, or matlab, let that confident kind of circumstance might come out in your life. Then the middle card is Nine of Pentacles. This is a very, serene kind of card. This card shows these 9 pentacles, these denote that the lady has got everything with her. She has a beautiful house, and she has all the riches, and she is standing with, there is some calmness in her face. So when this card comes out, then this reflects that you have got everything, and you should stay grounded, and you should be diplomatic also in your words. You should not, take pride, because you are having everything, and even the mother nature is with you. All the beautiful cards which are reflecting abundance, everything is with you. That doesn't mean that you can be, arrogant to someone or rude to someone. So I think you should be more diplomatic when this card comes up, because you have got everything. So that doesn't mean that you can look down on someone. Then the 6th card is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is also a very beautiful card. It denotes new beginnings, and something new, some new ideas might come up to you, and this is the right time to implement those ideas. If you have some kind of new business idea, then this is a very right time to implement those ideas, and everything is very positive in this deck in terms of your career life. So I think this is a very beautiful time, and even if you are going to enhance your skills, then this is also a very beautiful time. You can also cultivate hobbies, because even this card denotes creativity. So when this card comes up, then you can definitely go out for some hobbies. You can cultivate some skills, and your creativity will be abundant. So this is also the card which reflects something new is going to happen. So some of you who are who wish to increase their knowledge or their skills, then this is a very beautiful time when you can definitely enroll for some classes or maybe some courses, and you can just go about it. This is the right time. Then the 7th card is Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is like, she also denotes abundance. And see, definitely these three cards are showing abundance, and she also denotes some motherly kind of figure. This might be you, because see, this card is also the card of, motherly kind of card. So this might also reflect some women who is a motherly figure, and she is having all the abundance, all the riches, and she might help you with some kind of project maybe, or in your personal life. So for some of you that might be the case. So this reflects someone who is very mature, very caring kind of person, and who is going to help you, if this is not you. And if it is you, then definitely it reflects abundance in your life and all the good things in your life. Then Two of Pentacles is the card which comes after Ace of Pentacles. So after you venture into something new, might be you will be having some kind of options with you, whether to go about something or not go about something, or maybe two options for a particular thing. Then you have to juggle between that, and that will be a little bit tiring kind of thing. Mentally you will be drained because of that. Or for some of you, this might be that you have to create a balance. Mostly this card comes up when you have to create a balance between your work life and your personal life. As you can see, these three cards are in line. So I think maybe you have got, for some of you this might be true, that you have a boss who is very strict about his rules and regulations, and then this is you, and you have to be like this, you have to be diplomatic, and then you have to be prioritizing your work, what is important for you, and when and how much time you have to invest in your career or in your personal life. And this is your career and personal life, and you are juggling, and definitely I think you will be successful in this. It might take a little bit time, but definitely you will come out successful. Then the ninth card is Two of Cups. Two of Cups, you can see it shows two lovers who are celebrating. So this might be for some of the people who are single. For them, you might get some person with whom you can go on a date, or you might celebrate. And this mostly comes when you are venturing into something new. See, because this has come in line with this Ace of Pentacles, so most probably this is reflecting that you have got some new idea, and definitely you have got some partner to help you in this in achieving this. It is a very good card in terms of business, or in terms of something related to career. You have got some partner or an option from someone that who is going to help you. So in that terms, it is a good card. And if you are you have got someone to date, then this card is not that good if you compare it with the Lovers card, because here the love is not that much intense and with that much willingness and determination. It is more of a casual kind of dating. So that is also fine with some of you. Might be this casual dating might turn into something serious later on, but this is a good card in terms of business, mostly in terms of business. Then comes the Justice card in reverse. Justice card, when this card comes, then whatever you are doing, everything you are getting according to what you are putting into that thing. So whatever inputs you are giving, according to that you are getting the outputs. And sometimes this also means that you are treating everyone fairly. But because this is in reverse, then this means that you are not treating everyone fairly. So this card, when this card comes up, then you should definitely introspect and see that how you are treating others? Are you biased? So all those things you should, introspect. See, in July, maybe before July, because this is June, then you can introspect and see that you should not be biased to someone, and you should not be unfair. So this card is like a warning. And if some of you, if you are into some kind of legal battle, then you might be afraid that you might lose the case. So that might be the case, but I think you should not worry about it, and you should only be, optimistic, and the justice will be finally done. So justice card is good in terms that whatever right things, good things you have done, definitely it will come back to you, and if you have done wrong to others, it will come back to you. It's like a karma. So the justice will definitely be done. So thank you, Geminis, for the reading.